Crystal Companions. I am really excited today to talk a little bit about Medicine Bow Agate. So this particular agate, the pieces that I have come from South Dakota in the United States, and these are really great for healing the physical body, any kind of wound of the flesh they're amazing for. They're also good for repairing the aura, so if you sense that your aura has been weakened or you even have holes or leaks in the auric field, placing a Medicine Bow Agate in that area of the aura for about 15 minutes a few times a day can actually help to repair the damage that's been done to your energy body. It's also an amazing stone for giving you inner strength. So it kind of shows you how to do what you have to do in a tough situation. And it's fantastic for instilling courage and bravery to help get you through that. So I have a few different kinds here. I have the tumbled pieces, and you can see that these do have just beautiful dendrites in them. So the dendrites are right here. You can see they look like little fern leaves almost, or tree roots. And these are manganese dendrites. And then I have this bigger piece here, and it also has some dendrites, but it has a beautiful druzy section here on the top. And so, if you prefer to work with rough stones or tumbled stones, I do have a video on how I feel the energy compares, but, it's really a personal choice. Now, this Medicine Bow Agate here is very interesting because it is a bean agate. So if you watch the video about the bean agate formation, you'll see it has a little pebble lodged right in there in that agate. And so this is a very, very special piece of Medicine Bow Agate because it will combine the properties of the medicine bow with the bean agate. Thank you so much for watching, and crystal blessings.